Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cool gadgets that'll blow your mind and make your life so much easier. If you love tech and are always looking for the latest and greatest, then this video is for you. We've got the top 13 coolest smart gadgets that are totally worth buying. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So sit back, relax, and let's check out these awesome tech toys. 13. iWLK LinkPod Portable Charger. The iWLK LinkPod Portable Charger is a compact and efficient solution for keeping your devices powered on the go. Designed with portability in mind, the LinkPod features a sleek, pocket-sized design that can easily fit in your bag or pocket, making it ideal for daily commutes, travel, or outdoor activities. With a built-in 5,000 mAh battery capacity, this charger provides a reliable source of power for smartphones, tablets, and other small devices. One of the standout features of the iWLK LinkPod is its integrated lightning cable, allowing you to charge your iPhone or iPad without the need for an additional cable. It also comes equipped with a USB-C input for recharging the power bank itself. The LinkPod's fast charging capability ensures that your devices are powered up quickly, while the battery's intelligent chip ensures safe and efficient charging, protecting your devices from overcharging or short-circuiting. 12. Lockbook. Lockbook is a secure, encrypted digital notebook designed to keep your private information safe. It offers a robust solution for users looking to protect sensitive notes, passwords, ideas, or any personal data on their devices. With its intuitive interface and advanced encryption methods, Lockbook ensures that all of your entries are safeguarded with the highest level of security. The app features a user-friendly design, making it easy to create, organize, and search for notes quickly. Each note can be locked with a password or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint recognition, ensuring that only you have access to your private information. Lockbook also supports cloud backups, so you can sync your notes across multiple devices while maintaining privacy. What sets Lockbook apart is its commitment to privacy. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, which may store your data on external servers, Lockbook uses end-to-end encryption, meaning your notes are only accessible by you, and not even the app developers can view them. 11. X63 3-in-1 Charging Station. The X63 3-in-1 charging station is an efficient and convenient solution for charging multiple devices simultaneously. Designed to simplify your charging setup, this sleek station supports the charging of smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds all in one compact unit. With its integrated stand for phones and a dedicated docking area for smartwatches, the X63 helps declutter your workspace while keeping everything organized and easily accessible. This charging station is equipped with fast charging technology, ensuring that your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. It supports various devices including iPhones, Android phones, Apple Watches, and AirPods, providing versatile compatibility for all your charging needs. The wireless charging pad is equipped with advanced safety features such as overcharge protection, temperature control, and short-circuit prevention, ensuring the safety of your devices during the charging process. 10. Cell phone stand. A cell phone stand is a simple yet essential accessory designed to hold your smartphone securely in place, allowing you to use your device hands-free. Ideal for a variety of settings such as desks, kitchens, or even while traveling, a phone stand provides a stable platform for your phone, making it easier to watch videos, make video calls, follow recipes, or even work on your phone for extended periods. Most cell phone stands are adjustable, offering different viewing angles to suit various activities. Whether you're reading, watching movies, or attending a virtual meeting, these stands can be tilted or rotated for optimal comfort. Some stands come with added features like charging ports, ensuring your phone stays powered while you use it. 9. Woobex X2 Pro. The Woobex X2 Pro is a high-performance, cutting-edge wireless earbud designed for audiophiles and those who demand superior sound quality on the go. With advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology, the X2 Pro offers seamless, stable connectivity and fast pairing, ensuring a lag-free listening experience. The earbuds deliver rich, clear audio with deep bass and crisp treble, making them ideal for music lovers, gamers, and podcast enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Woobex X2 Pro is its active noise cancellation ANC technology, which helps block out external noise, allowing users to fully immerse themselves in their music or conversations. This is especially useful in noisy environments like public transport or crowded areas. Additionally, the X2 Pro is equipped with a comfortable ergonomic design that ensures a secure fit for long listening sessions, and it comes with multiple ear tip sizes to accommodate different ear shapes. 8. Mogo 3 Pro. The Mogo 3 Pro is a compact yet powerful portable projector designed to offer an immersive viewing experience on the go. It stands out for its ability to project high-quality images and videos with excellent clarity, making it perfect for movie nights, presentations, or gaming, even in spaces with limited room. With a resolution of up to 1080p, the Mogo 3 Pro ensures sharp and vibrant visuals, while its advanced DLP technology provides rich colors and a smooth picture. It features built-in Android TV, offering access to popular streaming services such as Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+, without the need for external devices. One of its key features is its portability. The Mogo 3 Pro is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around for outdoor activities or travel. 7. Folding Laptop Desk S. A folding laptop desk is a practical and space-saving solution for people who need a portable and ergonomic workspace. These desks are designed to be lightweight, compact, and easily foldable, making them ideal for those with limited space or who need a flexible work environment. Whether you're working from home, studying, or enjoying a meal, a folding laptop desk offers a convenient surface for your laptop, books, or other items. Most folding laptop desks are adjustable in height, allowing users to customize their setup for comfort. Some models even have tilt functionality, which can help reduce strain on your neck and back during long hours of use. Additionally, many folding desks come with built-in storage or additional features like cup holders or mouse pads, enhancing their practicality. 6. Tolaxi Gym Bag. The Tolaxi Gym Bag is a versatile and stylish accessory designed to meet the needs of fitness enthusiasts and active individuals. Crafted with durability in mind, this gym bag offers ample space for all your workout essentials, including clothes, shoes, towels, water bottles, and other personal items. Made from high-quality, water-resistant materials, it ensures that your gear stays safe and dry, even during the most intense workouts or unpredictable weather. One of the standout features of the Tolaxi Gym Bag is its thoughtful design. It typically includes multiple compartments and pockets, allowing for easy organization and quick access to your items. Separate shoe compartments are commonly included. 5. DJI Pocket 3 Gimbal Camera. The DJI Pocket 3 Gimbal Camera is a compact, powerful, and portable camera designed for content creators who need high-quality footage on the go. As part of DJI's renowned Pocket series, this camera combines the stability of a 3-axis gimbal with advanced features typically found in larger cameras, making it perfect for vloggers, travelers, and professionals looking for a lightweight option without compromising on performance. The Pocket 3 boasts impressive video capabilities, including the ability to shoot in 4K at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and crisp footage even in fast-moving scenes. Its enhanced stabilization system guarantees steady shots, even while walking or in motion, helping to eliminate shakes and jitters. Additionally, the camera features a wide-angle lens that captures more of the scene. 4. Hourglass Sand Timer. An hourglass sand timer is a timeless and elegant tool used to measure time, typically in intervals ranging from a few minutes to an hour. It consists of 2 glass bulbs connected by a narrow neck, through which sand flows from the top bulb to the bottom bulb under the force of gravity. The flow of sand is controlled by the narrow passage, allowing for a steady and measurable progression of time. Hourglass sand timers are often appreciated for their aesthetic appeal and simplicity. They are commonly used as decorative pieces in addition to their practical function. Whether on a desk, as part of a board game, or in a kitchen setting, an hourglass can add a sense of vintage charm to any space. Some hourglasses are designed to measure specific time intervals, such as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes. 3. JBL Endurance Peak 3. The JBL Endurance Peak 3 is a pair of wireless earbuds designed for active individuals who need reliable audio performance during workouts or outdoor activities. Part of JBL's renowned Endurance series, these earbuds are engineered to provide excellent sound quality, a secure fit, and long-lasting durability, making them ideal for sports enthusiasts and fitness lovers. These earbuds feature JBL's signature sound, offering rich bass and clear treble, ensuring an immersive listening experience whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym. The Endurance Peak 3 is equipped with an ergonomic, sweat-proof, and waterproof design. 2. Olight Arcfeld Dual Light Flashlight. The Olight Arcfeld Dual Light Flashlight is a versatile, high-performance flashlight designed for both everyday carry, EDC, and specialized tasks. What sets the Arcfeld apart from other flashlights is its innovative dual light source, offering both a white LED light and a green LED light, making it incredibly adaptable for a range of activities. The white light provides a bright, focused beam for general illumination, while the green light is particularly useful for low-light environments and preserving night vision, ideal for tactical, hunting, or outdoor use. Crafted with a durable yet compact aluminum body, the Arcfeld is lightweight and easy to carry. 1. Hitis AP80PROX. The Hitis AP80PROX is a high-resolution portable music player designed for audiophiles and music enthusiasts who demand top-notch sound quality in a compact, portable device. Building on the success of its predecessor, the AP80PRO, this model brings significant improvements, including upgraded components and enhanced features that make it an exceptional choice for anyone seeking premium audio on the go. The AP80PROX features a high-performance ESS Sabre DAC, digital-to-analog converter, which ensures clear, detailed, and natural sound reproduction across a wide range of audio frequencies. With support for high-resolution audio formats such as PCM up to 32-bit/384 kHz and DSD, the device delivers an immersive listening experience with superior clarity and depth. And that's a wrap on the top 13 coolest smart gadgets that are totally worth buying. Which one of these would you love to get your hands on? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Catch you next time with more awesome gadget reviews.